Onye richa biozo. Sabi sabi. Onye richa biozo. Sabi sabi.
She is asthmatic. You knew that and you brought her to the house?
I couldn't just leave her at the hospital. I had no other choice but to bring her home, at least give her shelter.
No, Philip. You had a choice. The choice was take her back to where you brought her from, or better still, take her to an orphanage or leave her on the streets. I mean, there is no way I am going to allow that girl remain in this house. She has to go.
Come on, baby. Come on. For crying out loud, please, let us figure out what to do. All right? Where to take her to? I'll take her to a specialist hospital
and then just begin to waste money on some random girl that you picked up on the streets? Listen, I am your wife. I will not let you do that.
Okay, can I at least figure out what next to do with her? Please, I beg of you. Can I?
Fast. Keep going. Auntie, be going now.
I don't have anywhere to go.
You don't have anywhere to go. Want to stay back?
Yes, please.
Auntie, when you came into my house, you came with nothing. Auntie, you will go with nothing. Okay? Be going. That's why I didn't let you carry those clothes, the bags and everything. Can we? Shall we? Hey, come. You're still wearing the slippers my husband got. My dear, pull it off. ASAP. Pull it off. I don't want to touch you. Move. So you don't infect me with your disease. You going? Yes, like that. Make sure the blinds don't touch your body. Oh my God! Sneak out. That's it. Out. Keep going. Going.
girl. Of course. I recognize that aroma. What's cooking?
Foodie, I made your favorite, baby.
You don't say.
Yeah.
So, where do I start? I eat this first before I move over to the one in the kitchen. Where do I start from? Where do you suggest?
Okay, because you ask, baby, I would say eat the food in the kitchen first, and then we can go to the room and you.
It's alright, it's alright. It's a good one. Well, I have good news. By the way, where is Sabi?
I sent her out.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
I sent her out. I did what was best for us.
You are mean. Mabel, you did what was best for you and not for us. Who does
Baby,
that?
Babe, see, it's not that serious now.
All alone.
Good afternoon, sister.
How are you?
Fine.
Why are you all alone? Why? Are you okay?
I don't have anywhere to go to.
Oh, what about your parents?
I don't have any parents or relative. I'm alone. I don't know where to go to.
Alright, it's okay. You can come with me. Let me take you home. I was actually on my way to the parish. But you can come with me. Let me take you home, okay? It's not safe for you here. Don't worry. I will take you home. You'll be very okay. Come on, come with me. You'll be fine. Come. You'll be safe, okay? Let me take you home.
Sabi
Why did you stay that long? I mean, you didn't have to stay out that late looking for that girl.
Am I expected to answer that question? You threw an innocent girl out. What did she do to you? Are you this wicked?
You know, I don't understand why you're getting yourself unnecessarily worked up for nothing. I simply did what you couldn't do. I mean, you do not expect me to sit down, fold my arms, and watch you nurture trouble all in the name of help.
Mabel, for crying out loud, you're turning into something else. Have you ever thought about it? What if that girl has an attack? Who is going to come to our rescue? Who?
I mean, she will still help herself the way she used to before she met you. So don't even start sounding like I'm the worst person you've ever come across.
You are supposed to show that girl tender love and care. So ask and come.
There is no way I'll have an asthmatic child.
You are nowhere close to redemption.
Breakfast is served.
I am not hungry.
This is the first time you're rejecting my food.
It can start in a day.
Guy, your wife no try you. Eh? She don't try at all now.
Sincerely, my brother, I don't know what I did to deserve such, disrespect.
Nobody would believe your wife would behave in such manners. Eh? Is there a reason for her attitude that you know about?
Well, from every indication, I think it's all this attitude started from the moment I brought in the girl I told you about.
Well, I understand her to an extent, but then I think she needed to, get your opinion before taking such actions, before taking laws into her hands.
God bless you. She knew that I was going to react negatively or react in a way that she might not like if I were to be at home when she sent the girl away. So she waited when I left the house, she sent her packet. Yes. Right now, I can't I am just helpless. Sabi girl, has she eaten? I can't help to ask myself these questions. What if she has an attack? Who is going to come to her rescue?
Well, just take it easy, man. I believe you will find her. Now you have to just concentrate on work. Besides, have you been able to report the case to the police?
What am I going to tell them? What's her identity?
Nevertheless, we will find her. I believe.
You are not saying anything. You just got back now at this time of the night and you're not saying a word. I called and called your phone severally. You won't take my calls. You won't return it. What's going on? Philip, I am talking to you. What is going...
Don't you think you went too far?
I don't get it. So I should wait for him to shower all the love that he would shower on my unborn children on her before I react? Oh, please. I never liked that girl from the onset. That is why I sent her out of the house.
That's not enough reason for you to take the laws into your hands. I mean, that girl is a little child. A small girl that would have treated you like a mother if you had treated her like a daughter.
That asthmatic patient, my daughter, God forbid.
Oh, please, Mabel, don't start. I beg you. Stop this now. I mean, she didn't create herself or she didn't even put herself in that situation. So stop acting up. I beg.
Whatever. My major concern now is my husband. He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't eat my food. He comes home whenever it pleases him. No more chit-chats, nothing. You know, I'm worried. I don't know what exactly I'll do to make sure I get him to come around.
Oh, really? You should have thought of that before sending that little girl away.
Excuse me? It's my husband I'm talking about here. Why are you deviating from the subject matter?
Because everything surrounds her. Everything is about the girl. The whole changes began when you sent her away. What were you thinking, Mabel?
Cynthia. What do you mean?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, okay? He's going to come around. All you need to do, give him time. Give him time to heal, okay? He's going to come around. It's just a matter of time, okay?
Time. For how long?
For as long as it takes him to heal. Mabel, all you need to do is to ask for forgiveness. I mean, drop the pride. Ask him for forgiveness. You were wrong. Yes. Ask him for forgiveness. Talk to him. Touch him. He's a man now. Touch this man. Make him understand that you're sorry. And that ends it. Simple.
Don't touch me.
Baby, please stop now. Stop. I'm sorry.
If you're truly sorry, you will go out there and find her.
I don't know where she is. My love. Can we just sincerely go back to the way we used to be? I miss us.
Mabel, the day you sent her out of this house, you lost my respect. Oh yes. A little girl who has no one to run to. Mabel, you are wicked. You are so wicked, Mabel.
I am sorry. What do I do to make up for this?
Good question. Go to the streets and find Sabi. Bring Sabi home. Go to the streets and find Sabi. Bring Sabi home. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. That's enough. Alright? I didn't just like the idea that you took this decision without me. I didn't like the fact that you sent her out even when I told you that she has nowhere to go to. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry, we'll find out together. It's okay. It's okay, my love. Oh, it's okay. We'll find out together. aroma is divine. I can't wait to dig it.
I made your favorite, my love,
This is step 2.
Don't worry, I'll give you the parts I know you like. Thank you. Bad
Where is it? Marital.
Your baby is a good cook, you know.
Do justice to it.
No.
Let me have the other drumstick, please.
Come here. Yes, who are you? What do you want?
I am here to see Philip.
What business do you have with him?
Maybe I heard voices. Who's that?
Oh, here comes the man of the moment. Baby, I have missed you so much. Why have you refused to come see me?
Come on, are you insane? Are you insane? And what are you doing here?
Since you have refused to come see me, I'm here now.
What's going on here?
Oh, sweetheart, your darling husband planted a seed inside of me, and I am here to nurture that seed so it can grow comfortably in its territory.
What is she talking about?
Baby, you wouldn't believe the nonsense that is coming out of our mouth, would you?
Really? I am pregnant for your darling husband.
What?
Are you lost for words? She's lost for words. Sweetheart, your husband is a very strong man, a macho. You needed to see the way he handled me. Oh my God! No man has ever touched me that way. I screamed, oh, put it, baby.
Shut up.
And
I wasn't talking to you. Philip, answer me. What is she talking about?
Baby, listen to me. Okay? You need to listen to me.
listen to what exactly? Didn't you do it?
very sorry, my love. Sincerely, deep in my soul, I am sorry. I woke up that morning and I found myself on Stella's bed.
You found yourself on another woman's bed. What were you doing there in the first place?
My love, I didn't plan for any of this to happen. But I'm really sorry. Stella has been threatening me to take responsibility of the pregnancy, of which I refused. That is the reason she found her way here.
Philip, are you listening to yourself talk? What were you doing in another woman's room in the first place? What were you doing, Philip? Philip. Oh my God.
I don't want stress. When you're done, you come out so we can talk.
What exactly are you doing here? So what exactly are you doing here? Do you want to destroy my home? By the way, who got you pregnant? Because I can't remember having sex with you.
It's not about shouting, okay? But you remember waking up from my bed, right?
What is your price?
My price. Have a seat so we can talk properly. Sit. Good. Well, the truth is, I am in my child's father's house to take care and to give birth to this child in peace.
What really is your price?
It's time to talk business. Let's say 10 million. Well, Philip, sorry to disappoint you. I don't want anything. Listen to me and listen good. I am now your responsibility. So you will do what is expected of you. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. I was so harsh. So sorry. You know you're a sweet man. Relax. You surely know how to take a woman to the highest point, cloud 9. Babe! Whatever. I will take care of myself and find my way around. Yeah! Home sweet home! Stella. You're a big girl now. We're here to stay. And no stopping us. Hey, sugar. Good morning. Baby, say good morning to your daddy. Baby says good morning to your daddy. Don't worry, okay? Daddy's really off for work now, okay? So, baby, you're off for work, right? Well, I wish I could join you, but you know now, I'm really stressed and heavy. So you need to look for someone who would fill in that gap, so I can't do that because of my pregnancy. And again, baby, did you prepare something for me? You know, I can go into the kitchen.
Are you sick or something?
Not.
The stomach is not yet out. And here you are making demands. Now let this be the first and the last time I'll be going to work. You stop me to spew nonsense. If you're hungry, head into the kitchen and cook for yourself.
Come on, baby. We love you. Whatever.
My heart is so heavy. I am still in shock.
Mabel, you have not said anything. Why are you crying? You're making me worried. Speak already, please. What happened? Did anyone die?
Philip got another woman pregnant.
What?
Philip got his secretary pregnant.
Philip can never do such thing.
So I thought too, till she came.
Until she came. I don't understand. She lives here now.
Everything happened so fast. There was basically nothing I could do. I couldn't even think of anything at all.
You couldn't think of anything at all. Mabel, is this you or something got into you? A woman comes in here claiming that your husband got her pregnant and you allow her to stay. Who does that? Mabel, what got into you? Is this you or there's something into you I don't understand?
I am so broken right now. I mean, it hurts me so much. I can't even start imagining it that I will have to share my husband with another woman inside my home.
It's okay. You don't need to break down, okay? You need to have enough strength. You need to be yourself, get hold of yourself, so to think of what to do first to secure your home. This is your home, Mabel. This is your house. You don't allow one useless prostitute to come here claiming that your husband got her pregnant. You don't need to allow that. You need to fight this fight. Secure your home. Fight it. I promise you, girlfriend, you're not alone. We are fighting it together. Okay? Please don't cry. Okay. What the hell is this that you're crying for? Who is she? I want to see her. I want to know what she looks like.